Hey girlies. Okay, so as you can see, we've got quite a different background, and you're probably gonna hear an echo because there's nothing in the house, but I know some of you have been around for a few years now and you've kind of followed the history of us moving, selling our house back in 2020, moving, renting the past few years, and then starting to build a custom house. So this is the first time I've brought you here, but Ron and I are here in the house right now. I'm actually standing in the kitchen. I'm gonna just give you a quick little tour and just kind of talk about some things that we decided to do in the house, and then you'll get to see it. So you'll get to see it now, kind of before it's all decorated and all of that. But I feel like I love this kind of stuff, so I think some of you will enjoy it too. So I'm just gonna show you how things are actually right now. So you're gonna see boxes, you're gonna see stuff that contractors have left out. We're not like messing with any of their stuff, but I'm just gonna let you see what we've got going on. So this is the kitchen. I'm right now standing in, what we would call the great room. We did skinny shaker. So these are a newer thing, a newer cabinet, at least to me. The shaker cabinet is very popular, but this is skinny shaker. So as you can see, it's thin. And we're gonna have different things going on. Obviously, once the whole kitchen is stocked, I can do like pantry tours, all that kind of stuff you guys are interested in. We've got some drawers, but all of the cabinets and drawers are obviously soft close. I do have hardware that will be going on as well. They just haven't put those on yet. So the fridge will be right there, and the appliances are coming in 2 days from as I'm filming this. But yeah, so all white skinny shaker. We did all drawers on the bottom and then cabinets on the top. We're doing a very large oven right there. It's going to be, is it 48 inches, I think, and it is gas. And we have a custom range hood. It's out in the garage. It just hasn't been put in. And then we're gonna have sconces, light fixtures there, which I do have coming. And then this is gonna be the island, and we'll have a farmhouse sink right there. Dishwasher will be there. Obviously countertop all throughout, which you will see when that is in as well. Another thing we did is that we're not gonna have any electrical outlets in the kitchen. They're all gonna be underneath the cabinets. And we're also doing, our countertop is gonna become the backsplash. So it'll be the same thing, which I really love that. And then if you come over here, this is going to be a like wine area. So we went with black cabinetry here. There's going to be some black details in the kitchen too, so it will all go together. And there will be like a wine fridge. We have to double check with Chad about the electrical for the wine fridge and that. There'll be like a wine fridge and beverage fridge here, and there'll be the same countertop as in the kitchen. And then honestly, we haven't figured out what we're going to do up there as far as shelving. And this is the flooring we have throughout the house. It's a luxury vinyl. It's oak. I don't know if you guys have questions about anything, I can put, you can put it down below, because I'm not sure linking wise what I'll be able to do. This is a pantry, very large pantry, kind of crazy. We won't be doing anything in there quite yet. And I'm just taking you the way that I'm going. This is gonna be a half bath. I did a black and white tile in there. And there's gonna be a floating countertop there, which would be really cool. So no cabinetry. And then we're gonna do sconces and a mirror, which we actually have the sconces. So I'm gonna grab them right now. On a side note, this guy loves the house. Do you love the new house, Shay? You don't really quite understand why we come here so often now. But the good thing is he doesn't slide on the floor, so he's not going to hurt himself anymore, right? Yeah, you're so handsome. You kind of match the floors. Yeah. These are the sconces we got for in here. I'm doing a lot of like the brassy gold. This also has black, which I thought was good. My only concern is that I don't know if they'll be too small because this is such a huge wall. It goes like this. And then it would go right there. So yeah, I just don't know if that's, like if we should have something bigger. I don't know, those are pretty nice.
I mean, those do look nice.
I have to have you take a picture and then see.
Okay.
Yeah, because you can't tell until they're up. Back in the great room, TV will be over there, stairs. So let's go around this way. That's actually like under stair storage, which is pretty cool. This is going to be my filming room. So the cloffice, whatever you want to call it. This is where my future videos will be filmed. Although I say that, in reality, I think the whole house. But this is specifically going to be where I will have stuff set up for filming separate than my real closet. And I did have them do, it's still a bedroom, so there has to be a true closet, but I had them do doors that would open instead of sliding, like you'll see in another room. And then in here, this is the pink bathroom. I'm so excited about this. I have to figure out lighting still. Okay, those lights do turn on. So we did a pink penny tile. I did a custom pink cabinet. And then I got these lights from Amazon, and I have some mirrors from Target I'm going to put in between. The lights aren't level though. They have to come fix that. And then in here, I don't know if there's a light in here yet. There we go. And here, the penny tile continues. More cabinetry. There'll be another light fixture that will go there, obviously like a toilet. And then look at the shower. I'm obsessed with this tile. It came out so good. Like right there, you can look how good that looks. The penny tile goes throughout the flooring in there. And the cabinet, we're just doing a white quartz in here. It will go on the corner seat and it'll go on the ledge right there. And then I'm trying to decide if I'm going to keep these walls white or if I'm going to do like a really light pink. Same thing with out there. And there's going to be a vanity there to do makeup. And then there'll be a sink there. So there'll be a sink here and a sink there. And then it's Jack and Jill style. These are pocket doors. And then this is another bedroom that will have sliders out to the patio. And then you can see that closet has like the true sliding closet. And this will be a guest room. So then as I come out, that takes us back to the great room. So we like looped around. And then, and what's cool is that this house is custom. So we did have it built by an architect. So no one else will have this house. Like they would have to buy the plans. You could try to copy it, but that wouldn't be very nice. That's our contractor. Shout out to them. This is an extra room. We ended up not putting the doors on. It was supposed to be like an office, but we decided just to leave it open so that it wouldn't be weird with like the fridge and doors hitting. So we'll figure out what we're going to end up doing there. I honestly don't know. And then if I take you back to the half bath we were in, then there's another room here. This is going to be Ron's room. It's just the two of us. It's like we both get our own separate room in addition to our master. So this is going to be his room for his like Transformer collection and stuff. And then are you ready? Well, there's not too much to see yet, but this is the laundry room. And yes, those are lavender cabinets. So exciting. Washer and dryer will go there. Another farmhouse sink. I'm going to use it to bathe Shay, and also white quartz countertops. And there's Shay. Hey, handsome. Okay. And we did really high baseboards, as you can see. And then my doors, we did like a triple shaker for all the doors. I also have the doorknobs here somewhere, which are a little over the top, but I don't really care. We did black front door. And they are hurricane windows because we do live on an island. And now we're going to go upstairs. I haven't finished off the stairs yet. You gotta pick Shay up. I don't love him going upstairs. Okay, hold on. All right, going up. And I think they do like a hard floor here at the landing. And then we go up again. And this is where we have to be careful because there's no railing yet. But there will be a railing there, a black railing. And you can overlook the great room. Those black fans put in. And then this is what I'm calling the loft. I feel like this is going to be another great filming area, like in this corner, to figure out what I'm going to do there. Like a comfy chair. I don't know, but I'm very excited about that. And then if we go right, we actually enter the master suite. Let's see where Ron is. He's filming on my phone for me. Okay, so if we go to the right, I'm just gonna put Shay down and shut the door so he can't. I get afraid without those railings there yet. These are cabinets. These haven't been put in yet, but this is the master bathroom. I'm so excited about this. So this tile, it's just everywhere, the floor, the walls. And then you can actually enter the shower. This would be entering from Ron's way, or you can enter from my side over there. And we each have a bench, got a little nook there. I love this tile. And yeah. It's all going to be champagne bronze hardware. And then that will be his side. And then this will be my side. And I will have another vanity up here. I know, just crazy. And we're doing all black cabinets. These are actually going in tomorrow. And then that's just a room with the toilet. And then that's a closet. So it is so good. And then if you continue this way, now we've got 2 closets. This is my closet. It's a pretty good size. This will be like my real closet, separate from the cloffice. And then Ron has a closet also. His is just a little bit smaller, same thing. And then this will be our master bedroom. And we have to figure out about the ceiling fan. We're trying to decide if we want to do a black ceiling fan or a white ceiling fan. And then if you come out here, this is a deck, and we're going to have a, there will be railings put out up there, but we'll be able to come off our bedroom onto that balcony. So we're really excited about that. I'll have to show you, to watch how much outdoor stuff I show you, but I think that's pretty much the tour. So that was my little house tour so far. If you have any questions, just put them down below, and we'll see you again when we move in, which shouldn't be too long.